Hello everyone, today seems like we're gonna have a company. Well, me unboxing the brand new GWG-2000 Mudmaster G-Shock carbon core watch. This watch arrived like 4 days ago, 5 days ago. I just leave it here sitting on this desk since I'm too busy just to film, and I'm not sure if you guys could hear any noise on the outside. I'm just gonna unbox the watch, have been my review on buy service, basically the app or the proxy service that provide me the watch. Also for the sponsor for today's video as well. And while at it, at the end of this video, I'm gonna make a quick size comparison. I'll be comparing this to I have a bunch of G-Shock watch over here. Like, look at that, maybe 10 of them. Just to give you guys a rough idea on how big this thing looks like. But first thing first, it came this, seems to me like the standard box for the Master of G series. Thanks to Yahoo Japan again for sponsoring this video and also make the purchase possible, because this watch haven't been released locally yet. So if I want to buy this thing, I can't, and even if I could, the price will be like retails, like 99,000 Japanese yen converted. This time, since I'm using buy, I could buy from a tax-free shop in Japan, and everything only cost me 72,700. And let's see, I have the bills over here. 72,799 yen only, so a lot cheaper than the suggested retail price. And you guys see this? How you guys seeing this? This is the thing that I have to put up every single time I'm filming a video, alright? Alright, here it is, guys. Let's open it up. 3, 2, 1. Oh, sorry. 1. There we go. Oh, wow. Huh. For first impression goes, it didn't look that big. I was expecting to see something, times bigger, because this watch does looks very, very big from all the poster photo. Even from other people review videos, I checked them out, I watched them already. I've seen the watch in videos, but not in person. This is the first time ever doing this. And hold on, let me open it up and check if everything is alright, because that will be an issue. If I'm spending this amount of money, I'm expecting the watch to work perfectly fine. Though I have no idea how to return this thing using buy service, because they're just a middleman. They didn't sell anything, they're just being a middleman that buy things based on your request. Remember guys, if you want to buy things from Japan, go to the link down in the description box, sign up, create an account totally for free. And there's a lot of campaign, promotion, discount right now during holiday season, so you can save a lot more than I did actually. And if you use the link down in the description box, you'll earn an extra 1,000 yen discount on your first order as well, so you can save a bit more than I did. So let me put this box aside, nothing much to see here. And here's the band tag, there it is. Mud resist, triple sensor, multi-band 6. And if you look over here, there you go, GWG-1000. So they just recycle GWG-1000 parts on this watch. So don't expect anything new here guys. Even the tag even says it is a GWG-1000. And proper word for it would be a facelifted, but they basically made it tougher. So let me put this thing aside, and here is the watch. I know I said that I'll be getting the what's that, the brown version, yeah, but turns out that thing is very, very hard to find. Yeah, like very hard. Apparently that thing is incredibly limited, even though it's not a special release, it's just first release, but turns out to be very limited. So yeah, this is the only color that I could pick. Though I could pick the basic one with the red accent and everything, but I don't like the mess. I mean, this thing has a lot on the face, a lot on the body, a lot going on the watch. And if I add more colors in here, it'll be a bit too messy. Unless Casio release a collaboration or something like that, say with Maharshi, yeah, I'm just gonna pick the L black version instead. Seems like a better deal. Plus, if you own one of these, it is a lot easier to customize later in the future if you could source for replacement parts. Black version is easy, it's easy to match with other colors if you want to do so, which I definitely will try to do if I could get my hands on any parts later in the future, perhaps on the assembly video, which I'll definitely make. But so far, function wise, let's see, barometer, thermometer, I could see that it works like, normal Mudmaster, but yeah, it works fine. Altimeter works, compass still works, no improvement whatsoever, still a bit of delay every time I change between each modes and each function, so no surprise there. And let's see for the lights, everything works so far, so good. Man, I have to say though, the poster photo really makes the watch looks big, but if you put it side to side to the GWG-1000, it is not that big. Look at that, it is actually even smaller. If you like this watch, which I'm sure a lot of people saw because of how popular this thing is, you should consider getting one of these as well. If anything, I mean, the function is exactly the same, right? If anything, this is just even better. The prices are pretty much the same anyway. And it is now carbon core. Holy. Although I prefer this kind of backplate because of that, all this circular finishing, it's just beautiful. This one, yeah, just like any carbon core series, pretty standard. I prefer this design better, but hey, oh, see what I have to deal with every single day. Every single time I film a video, this guy would just go straight right in. Wow, I love the band keeper. I love everything about the watch so far. Okay, now let me put the watch on wrist for a quick wrist check, and then we'll end the video with a quick size comparison. Just put the watch side to side to a bunch of other G-Shock watch that I have, and oh wow, holy wow, the strap even feels even better. I don't know what they do with the mixture of the material, but it feels much more comfortable because it is lighter. Holy man, this watch is better. Yeah, I know some people didn't really like the design, recycled parts and all that, but this watch is better. I'm telling you guys now, it is better than this. Though price wise, this thing is better because it's already been on the market for years now, so the price has dropped significantly. Not this guy, but the basic version. But if you want something new, this is it, guys. Holy, the fit. I'm very impressed with the fit. I'm very, very impressed. Though they have the extended tongue, but every Master of G-Shock have. So anyway, guys, I'm not gonna waste too much time. I'll see you guys in the full video, which I don't know what I'm gonna talk about, but we'll have a closer look at least on all the details and everything. Okay, I'll see you guys then. Have a nice day. Check Yahoo Japan down in the description box.